Hello everyone. So, let's learn how to install additional tools in Sketchup, which are the famous plugins that create new commands and new functions that the original software doesn't have. Many programmers make numerous tools available for free. In the most recent versions, we can simply click on the top tab Extensions, then Extension Warehouse. You can search by name in case you already have one in mind, or scroll down and choose from the top extensions, which are the most current or most downloaded tools available for us to download. Remember that you must log in with either your Trimble account or your Gmail to be able to access these extensions, these plugins. So for example, if I want to install one of them here, I just have to click. It's always a good idea to analyze all the text here, read to see if there are any prerequisites for this tool to work, and then simply click Install. It will ask if you are sure, you can click yes, and it will confirm, okay. The toolbar won't always appear right away, so always check the list of existing SketchUp toolbars. So, to do that, you can close this, go to the View tab, then Toolbars, scroll down until you find the toolbar you installed, in this case, TrueBend, and click Close. And so now I have the toolbar for the plugin, for the extension. However, the older plugins and extensions have a different format that doesn't allow for this method. So you have to copy and paste the files into a specific location. In this case, I'm going to show you how to install a plugin called Make Faces, which is a very old plugin in a very practical way. So when you download the files, you'll see that the extension is .rb and not rbz. So RB is an old format for these extensions, for these plugins. So I'm going to select, for example, the two files. I'll press Ctrl C and we have to navigate to the SketchUp installation folder. So we'll go to the local C drive, which is our hard drive and is normally where SketchUp is installed. We'll go to Program Files. We're going to look for the SketchUp software. So SketchUp, the version you are using, and inside the Shipped Extensions folder, we are going to paste, in other words, press Ctrl V these files. If it asks for verification, just click Continue. And this way, remember, you must close and reopen your SketchUp for the tool to appear. So I have to close it. I don't necessarily need to save and open my SketchUp again. This Make Faces tool is also a very useful tool for those who use DWG files as a base for their 3D models. And it's super easy. So I'm going to show you here to finish this lesson how to use it. So with the file downloaded, or rather imported, from the DWG, I access it. I can select everything here. I'll go to Tools, Make Faces, and OK. It will generate the planes, but with the planes inverted. In other words, we'll select everything with Ctrl A, right-click, and Reverse Faces. This Reverse Faces is simply to leave the white face exposed for our modeling. There we go. So we've closed all the planes. So we have two formats for plugins and extensions. The RBZ formats, which are the current formats, you can always install if you download it from some other place through the Extensions tab and Extension Manager. And then you simply click on Install Extension. And then look for the file, the folder where you downloaded the RBZ file. And the RB formats, you must paste them in the way that I showed. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next lessons.